Hello, Peter. Thanks for joining the call. You mentioned you had some questions after watching our video on creating digital documentation for refrigeration units.
Hello, Anna. Yes, that's right. I'm just wondering, why do I need to create digital documentation for each unit? Isn't it enough to keep the manual on file?
That's a good question. While keeping a manual helps, it's really just the beginning. With our system, each refrigeration unit gets its own QR code. Once you upload photos of the temperature controller and the type plate, the system automatically builds a complete digital profile of the specific unit in our online database. That gives you structured, easy-to-access information for every unit on site.
Okay, but what's the real benefit of that?
Several, actually. First of all, once we identify the exact model of the temperature controller, your technicians can access video tutorials and operating instructions specific to that unit, so no more guesswork. Also, uploading the serial number links the unit back to the manufacturer, giving you access to original specifications, intended use, and recommended service intervals.
That makes sense. And what about the type plate?
The type plate is key in asset management. It contains critical data like refrigerant type, voltage, and cooling capacity. With that information stored digitally, your team can generate accurate service tickets straight from the database. That means fewer errors and faster turnaround.
So this speeds up maintenance?
Exactly. When a service request comes in, your technicians receive a digital service ticket containing all technical specifications for the correct unit. There's no time wasted searching for documentation or clarifying which unit needs service.
Got it. And how is a service request submitted?
It's fully digital too. Your team simply scans the unit's QR code using a phone or tablet. That immediately opens the unit's profile and allows them to submit a service request with just a few taps. This ensures that your service partner knows exactly which unit needs attention. No more mix-ups or incomplete info.
That would have saved us a lot of trouble in the past. We've had cases where technicians showed up with the wrong documentation entirely.
That's exactly the kind of scenario this system is designed to eliminate. Plus, all your records are secured within your own domain in our platform. Only approved users and registered devices can access the data. And since mobile access requires physical scanning of the QR code, no one can access unit details remotely without being on site.
That's reassuring. One more thing. What if I ever decide to switch to another provider? Do I lose all the data?
Not at all. You fully own your uploaded data. If you move to a different system in the future, you can export everything from your asset database and take it with you. We don't lock you in or out.
Excellent. That really clears things up. Thank you, Anna. I'll get my team started on uploading the necessary pictures today.
Glad to hear it, Peter. Feel free to reach out if you need any help getting started with your first set of uploads. Have a nice day.